As modern warfare continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, aerial supremacy is no longer just about manned fighter jets and conventional dogfights. The new frontier is defined by unmanned systems, data-driven operations, stealth, and precision. Enter Turkey's Anka 3, a next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle that heralds the country's ascension as a formidable player in unmanned warfare. The Anka 3 is not just another drone, it is a symbol of Turkey's strategic ambition, a milestone in indigenous innovation, and a powerful weapon designed to dominate future battlefields. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, the Anka 3 is set to break the mold of what unmanned combat aerial vehicle can do, offering a striking mix of stealth, firepower, and autonomous capabilities. A leap in design and stealth. The Anka 3 takes a bold departure from previous Turkish drones, such as the Baykar TB2 and the Anka S. While these earlier models primarily served reconnaissance and light attack roles, the Anka 3 is engineered to operate in contested airspaces, making it an ideal tool for high-stakes confrontations where stealth and speed are essential. At the core of its design is a flying wing configuration which significantly enhances its radar signature reduction capabilities. Unlike traditional drone designs with a fuselage and tail wing, the Anka 3 adopts a tailless delta wing shape, which minimizes its radar cross-section from multiple angles, allowing it to infiltrate enemy airspace without detection. The air intake, embedded into the upper fuselage, further reduces its infrared and radar signatures, reinforcing its stealth attributes. This cutting-edge design puts the Anka 3 in the same league as advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicle like the U.S. Navy's Northrop Grumman X-47B and China's GJ-11 Sharp Sword, both of which are known for their low-observable designs. The Anka 3 is not just built for undetected entry, but is a versatile strike platform capable of executing precision strikes in highly contested environments. Advanced armament and multi-role capabilities. One of the standout features of the Anka 3 is its combat versatility. With a projected maximum takeoff weight exceeding 7 tons and a combat payload capacity of 1.2 tons, this unmanned combat aerial vehicle is equipped to carry a wide variety of munitions. It can deploy precision-guided bombs, air-to-ground missiles, and even air-to-air weapons, positioning it as one of the few unmanned combat aerial vehicle in the world capable of multi-role missions. The Anka 3 is designed to carry Turkey's own smart munitions, such as the ML and MMT series, as well as SOMJ cruise missiles. In future iterations, the unmanned combat aerial vehicle may feature internal weapons carriage options to maintain a radar-silent profile during high-risk missions. This combination of advanced payload options and stealth makes the Anka 3 a formidable force in modern warfare, capable of handling everything from suppression of enemy air defenses to strike missions against high-value targets. Power, speed, and endurance. Unlike propeller-driven drones, such as the Baykar TB2, which are often limited by speed and vulnerability, the Anka 3 is powered by a single jet engine. This propulsion system allows the unmanned combat aerial vehicle to achieve high subsonic speeds and fly at altitudes up to 40,000 feet. With extended loiter times, the Anka 3 is capable of operating for longer durations without compromising performance. Its high speed, stealth profile, and endurance allow the Anka 3 to bridge the gap between drones and manned fighter jets. Designed not only for reconnaissance or harassment, but for decisive action in peer-level conflicts, the Anka 3 is a next-generation strike platform built for high-speed penetration and standoff engagements. Network-centric warfare and autonomous operations. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the Anka 3 is its integration into network-centric warfare. The unmanned combat aerial vehicle is designed to operate independently or as part of a larger unmanned and manned team. This capability makes it adaptable to a wide variety of roles, from acting as a forward observer to suppressing enemy air defenses, all while sharing targeting data with other platforms. In simulated exercises, the Anka 3 has been envisioned to operate alongside Turkey's future TFX stealth fighter, performing high-risk missions that would be too dangerous for human pilots. This level of integration into manned-unmanned teaming represents a major shift in modern warfare, where drones not only operate autonomously, but also function as a force multiplier within a broader, connected combat network. A shift in Turkey's drone development. The Anka 3 represents a significant leap forward in Turkey's drone capabilities. While the country initially entered the drone market as a customer, it quickly shifted toward indigenous drone production, driven by both necessity and ambition. The success of drones like the Baykar TB2 in operational theaters like Libya and Nagorno-Karabakh has not only proven Turkey's ability to design and build effective UAVs, but has also demonstrated how these drones can shape the tactics of modern asymmetric warfare. Building on this foundation, the Anka 3 is designed to operate in high-threat, peer-to-peer conflicts, making it a critical addition to Turkey's growing portfolio of unmanned platforms. While drones like the Baykar Ak-C have already made a name for themselves with long-endurance, high-altitude capabilities, the Anka 3 adds a stealthy, high-performance component to Turkey's drone arsenal, positioning the country to compete with other global drone powerhouses. Competing with global unmanned combat aerial vehicle giants. The Anka 3's design philosophy and capabilities are closely aligned with those of the American X-47B and the Chinese GJ-11 Sharp Sword, both of which represent some of the most advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicle platforms in existence. The X-47B, developed by Northrop Grumman for the U.S. Navy, was one of the first unmanned combat aerial vehicle to successfully launch and land from an aircraft carrier. It emphasized stealth, autonomy, and the ability to operate from naval platforms. While the X-47B has been retired, it paved the way for future American unmanned combat aerial vehicle concepts. The Anka 3 follows in its footsteps, embracing stealth, autonomy, and a modular design while focusing on affordability, multi-role capability, and regional deployment flexibility. The Chinese GJ-11, on the other hand, remains highly secretive, with few operational details available, but is believed to share a similar design philosophy with the Anka 3 in terms of stealth and strike capabilities. Unlike its global counterparts, the Anka 3 is being developed with a strong focus on transparency and export readiness. Turkey is positioning the Anka 3 not just as a defense asset, but also as a commercial product for global allies and partners. This approach allows Turkey to leverage its advancements in drone technology to enhance its geopolitical influence while offering a cost-effective alternative to more expensive Western UAVs. The global impact and future prospects. What sets the Anka 3 apart from its global competitors is its balance between cutting-edge technology and cost-effectiveness. Turkey has mastered the art of making drones modular, scalable, and exportable, ensuring that the Anka 3 will likely find its place in the arsenals of countries seeking advanced UAVs without the steep costs or political restrictions often associated with Western suppliers. The Anka 3 is also designed to operate from conventional airfields and shorter runways, with potential future adaptations for carrier-based operations. As Turkey develops its own amphibious assault ships and light aircraft carriers, the Anka 3 could serve as a key asset for naval operations, further extending its reach and versatility. As of 2025, the Anka 3 is still in the testing phase, with flight tests confirming its aerodynamic performance. Integration of weapon systems is already underway, and once operational, it will serve as both a deterrent and a force multiplier for Turkey. It embodies a new theory of warfare, where autonomy, data fusion, and multi-domain operations converge to create a persistent, connected battle space. A new era of warfare. In an era where air dominance is increasingly determined by the most advanced, survivable, and connected platforms, the Anka 3 signals that Turkey has solidified its place at the forefront of the drone era. Its stealthy profile may slip through radar undetected, but its strategic message is loud and clear. Turkey is now a leader in autonomous, multi-role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle development, capable of projecting power well into the future of aerial warfare. This revolutionary drone represents more than just national pride or technological progress. It's a transformative force in how future conflicts will be fought. By incorporating advanced technologies, including AI-assisted mission planning, adaptive navigation, and onboard electronic warfare suites, the Anka 3 is a model for the next generation of unmanned aerial platforms. As Turkey continues to build its drone ecosystem, with the Anka 3 at the core, the global landscape of unmanned warfare is sure to be reshaped. In a world where the line between manned and unmanned platforms is becoming increasingly blurred, the Anka 3 proves that the future of aerial warfare is autonomous, data-driven, and unstoppable. If you found this deep dive into the Anka 3 fascinating, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge tech insights and updates on the future of warfare. Stay tuned for more.